Hi everyone! Today, we will learn about a range of exercises from head to toe that will help improve your mobility. Always return to a neutral position before starting the next movement. Just stretch your muscles and don't overexert the joints. Tilt your head down towards the chest. Come back. Tilt your head upwards. And back again. Tilt your head to the right shoulder. Come back. Tilt your head to the left shoulder. And back again. Turn your head to the right. Come back. Turn your head to the left. And back again. Repeat if necessary. Lift your right arm upwards to the front. Come back. And move your arm backwards and back again. Repeat with your left arm. Lift your right arm sideways at 90 degrees. Lower back to normal. Repeat with your left arm. Lift your lower arm upwards to the front at 90 degrees before moving the palm towards the left side of your chest. Move your arm away from the chest towards the right. And back again. Repeat with your left arm. Move your right wrist away from the body before turning it towards the body. Repeat with your left wrist. Stretch your right arm forward with the palm facing down. Raise your wrist upwards. Come back. Lower the wrist. And back again. Repeat with your left arm. Form a fist on your right arm before moving the lower arm towards your right shoulder. Back to normal and extend your lower right arm downwards. And back again. Repeat with your left arm. This exercise is not suitable for anyone who has undergone hip replacement surgery. Stand up straight with the hands on the hips. Move the right leg forward. Return, then backwards. And return. Move the leg outwards. Return before crossing the right leg over the left. Rotate the right leg using the ball of your foot away from the body. Return. Rotate the leg towards the body. And return. Repeat with your left leg. This exercise is not suitable for anyone who has undergone hip replacement surgery. You can either stand or sit for this exercise. Move the right foot outwards before moving it upwards. Return, then downwards and return. Repeat with your left foot. You can either stand or sit for this exercise. We hope you found this video helpful. For more information, please visit the CareBuddy website.